Hi guys, I want to say ew. Ew. What the hell? Just talk. I will say my age. I am only 8 years old and my grade is grade 3. Wait a minute, wait a minute. And so why I should do that? And I am Filipino and Ilocano. I am only kid. Sorry guys, I am a kid like others. So I will face reveal if you comment, share, only 10 likes, only 10 comments. It's okay. I will face reveal because I am happy about that. If 20 million, our face reveal all. So I want this can and I want the views of that. And please can you do that for me? And comments too, please. I will reveal my TikTok and my avatar there are ugly. There's so much ugly because I am only 7 in there, but I am 8 years old still and done. And I will shout out all of this I will show. So let's go.